Hello, my lovely viewers. Hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome to the Tutor Academy, your go-to place for mastering Photoshop. If you love creative design tricks and effects, you are in the right place. In today's brand new tutorial, I will show you how to create a realistic glass broken effect in Photoshop. This effect is perfect for poster, ads, and digital artwork, giving your design a dramatic and eye-catching look. By the end of this video, you will be able to create an stunning shattered glass effects like a pro and Photoshop. So my lovely viewers, let me know in the comment section, have you ever tried a glass broken effects before? If not, don't worry, follow along and by the end of this tutorial, you will be master in this. So let's not waste any time, let's get started. Keep watching and follow along step by step all process. I always try to bring you best tutorial and the easiest way possible. So, are you enjoying my content? What do you think about this tutorial? Your feedback helps me to create even more better videos for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the bell icon. You will never miss new tutorial from the Tutor Academy. This is your final result. You have just learned how to create a realistic glass broken effect and Photoshop with your image. With this technique, you can add a dramatic touch to your design and make them stand out. My respected and lovely viewers, remember the key to master Photoshop is practice. Only practice. Try experimenting with different glass textures, cracks, and lighting effects to create your own unique designs. The more you play around with it, the better you will get. So did you find this story helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Also, if there is any other effect or Photoshop tricks you want me to cover, drop me your suggestion. I will love to hear from you and I will cover it. So I end my today's tutorial from here. Keep practicing, keep designing, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care of yourself, stay blessed.